Everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video we are going to solve some questions of English, and this is the book 4000 smart practice questions, and this book is from textbook. And if you want to purchase any book from this 4000 smart practice questions, then you can check the description. The link of all the books is given there. Okay, you can go and purchase the book of any of the subject. So we are going to do the error detection questions today. Okay, and we will start with this question. In these questions we have to find the error in the any part of the sentence. So more immigrants have forgotten their native cultures because of acculturation in their new countries. So first of all, more immigrants have forgotten. Have forgotten is right. There it is also right. Native cultures because of acculturation in their new countries. It is also right. Grammar is correct. But the error is here. More immigrants. It is not more. It is many immigrants have forgotten. Alright. So the error lies in first part. Many immigrants. More is like more. When we use more, it is used as addition. Okay, like more people are coming, so it means that additional people are also coming, it means that. Okay, and here many immigrants, it means that lots of immigrants have forgotten their native culture. Now we will move to question number 2. The company was hard pressed to prove it shall be granted the contract since it didn't have any other clients on the hook. First of all, the company was hard pressed. It is right. All right. To prove, it is also right. It shall be granted. Here it shall. Shall is wrong because it is future tense. So it shall be granted the contract since it did not have any other clients on the hook. Other grammar is correct. But here prove it should be granted, not shall. Okay, shall's other form should will be used here. It should be granted the contract. All right, so this is the right form. Then this, I asked the salesperson if I could exchange my dress to any kitchen hardware. First of all, when we exchange something, we exchange it with something, not to something. All right, like do you want to exchange your pen with me, with mine? Okay, so we exchange with something, not to something. So here I asked the salesperson if I could exchange my dress with any kitchen hardware. So here to will be wrong. This is a very simple sentence. Then this, does not forget to wear sunscreen or you will get sunburned. So it is very simple. Do not forget. Always it is there. Do not forget. Then this question, here we have to find the error. Okay, in this also, the government is looking to hold fresh consultations on the proposed personal data protection bill after differences emerged among policymakers over the legislate, said officials with knowledge of the matter. First of all, the government is looking, right, to hold fresh consultations on the proposed personal data protection bill after differences emerged among policymakers over the legislate. Legislate is not right, it is legislation. All right, over the legislation, said officials with knowledge of the matter. So here error lies in third part. So today we are going to do 5 error detection only, and we have completed 5 error detection. And in the next video, tell me on which topic you want the video and I will cover that topic. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.